guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pancakes. Pancakes is one of my favorite breakfasts or even brunches. It might not be one of parents' favorite dishes just because it's loaded with sugar, but trust me, kids will definitely enjoy it. So let's check the recipe out.
Sift in 1 cup of flour in a bowl. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar into the bowl.
And mix it well.
Crack in 2 eggs. Whisk the eggs until it is mixed well with the dry ingredients. Add in a dash of vanilla essence.
Stir in 1 cup of milk. So as you can see, now the mixture is all combined.
Add a spoon of butter into the pan once it's heated. Add a spoon of batter into the pan. After a minute or two, flip to the other side. And wait again. Drizzle some maple syrup on top of your pancakes or any of your favorite toppings. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and the ingredients list will be down in the description below just in case if you missed any in the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. See you in the next video.